Clearly, more than 1 rupee of difference is there for each unit of power compared to most of the comparable states, meaning Gujarat, West Bengal, Gujarat, Tamil Nadu, Karnataka, Maharashtra. That being the case, in spite of that, Andhra Pradesh from 2005-10 policy has been offering over and above that power tariff an incentive of 75 paisa, and the rate of power per unit was pegged down at 2005 rates, and the industry, the new industry, was offered that rate throughout. Recently, the power tariff has gone up. All of us are aware of it. Keeping that in view, and in spite of being one of the lowest power tariffs in the entire country, state still took a conscious decision to continue to extend this power power cost incentive reimbursement of 75 paisa, making that as the upper ceiling, 75 paisa per unit. In addition to that, keeping the specific sectors in mind, textiles and food processing, 1 rupee of incentive has been extended to the industries, food processing and textile industries, and this continues to be the highest support amongst any of the states in the country. The policy clearly states the policy of the government would be to promote more merchant power plants through PPP modes to reduce power shortage in the state. Industries Department along with the Energy Department, AP Transco, is also looking at the feeders which are predominantly industries, serving the industries. Wherever the industrial loads are more than 50%, it's sought to be converted into a dedicated feeder or express feeder, so that a clear priority or lesser power cuts could be ensured in those areas. Last year, specifically, AP Transco and the Energy Department also facilitated the open access power purchase to the industries. Of course, some of the major industries, larger industries were able to take the benefit of it, but even the medium scale industries as a cluster, as a group in Guntur and other areas, they have utilized this facility or the facilitation that was done by AP Transco, and to certain extent we were able to overcome the shortage of power in peak demand time, peak summer time. At present, that is the power situation or power scenario in the country, in the state. And the captive power plants which are using it for self-consumption, last time it was mooted for extending the electricity duty exemption, but during the process it faced with certain challenges, and we are trying to again move the proposal for exemption on this electricity duty for captive power generation consumption.